She was the love of this kid's life. Bitch cut his heart like a knife. They was with each other every night. He couldn't wait to make this chick his wife. But that all ended quicker than he expected. Cause she was with another youth called David. When she was with him, the bitch would get naked. Harry didn't find out after 2 fucking years. He was so happy now, he's drowning in beers. He fears every day that goes by. Cause deep down inside, he wants to die. He cries, how could she do this shit to me? No one loves me other than my family. He's having these thoughts all alone. He don't wanna deal with this shit on his own. He climbs to the roof of the house and jumps up till his face hits the ground. Only a girl can break a heart, tear the shit apart. I ain't gonna lie, there's plenty girls out there that ain't blind, but there's plenty of bitches that only think of themselves. Fuck mans and then put them on the shelf, never to use them again. Is this a new trend? If your girls don't love a man, keep him as a friend. When will it end? She loved him with all of her heart, but he pushed her away. Beth was clingy and obsessive, he wasn't the same. He thought love was a game, he'd roll the dice every day and fuck a girl without knowing her name. Beth would meet with Jason as much as she could, and Jason would come over with his face covered by a hood. He'd make her do all kinds of weird shit to him, but Beth knew that there was no love within. She's actually had enough of him, so she runs away. Jason chases her through the field, but down inside Beth knows she's gonna get killed. No one can imagine the fucking pain that she feels. Shit, she's got to the entrance of the woods. She knew she'd get away, she knew she would. Beth was gonna get away as fast as she could, but she turned around to take a second look. Jason was standing there, he grabbed her by her hair and threw her to the dirt. He whipped off her shirt and raped her. He didn't care how much she hurt. The prick walked off like nothing happened, leaving Beth's dreams are broke and shattered. She's fucking battered, clothes are tattered. It's night, she can't walk home. It's too cold, she sleeps alone. The girl was so pretty, her life didn't deserve to be so shitty. But it's life, life is gritty, and this is love. Welcome to Heartbreak City. So many people think that love is so perfect. It ain't perfect. It has its ups and downs. So many people think it's just an up. It's not. Hearts get broken. Love ain't perfect. If you find the right person, it could be perfect. You just gotta wait till you find that perfect person. And it will take long. It takes different times for different people. You just gotta get used to it. Wait your turn.